All right, so last time I took my bike out on the way back home, I hit some rut or something on the 14, instantly popped my tube or debeaded my tire or something. So today we are going to go ahead and take that off, and we are going to, well, first off, check if it's the rubber or the tube. Then we're going to go to Cycle Gear and just get this shit swapped out. I would do the tube myself, but I'm a little lazy right now. For this job, it's going to be pretty easy removing the front tire. We are going to need this Allen wrench. It's a size 14, it's millimeter. And then this one, I want to say it's like an 8 or something. Maybe a 10. I don't remember. I just know that these two do it every time. So this one, you're going to want to do to start off. You loosen these, bop, bop. And then that kind of like unclamps this support right here. And then you're able to get this big boy in here. And then on this side, you don't even do anything on this side. I think you just do it on this side, and then it unscrews out and you yank it out. All right, let's get it. All right, to help me out with this, I'm going to go ahead and use this mount. This is a nice one I got from Amazon. I think it could hold like 1,500 pounds, maybe 1,000 pounds, who knows. I want to say 1,500 though. So what I found is a nice place for me to put it. Let's see, I'm going to want to get the front up, so I'm going to want to have it more towards the front, so then the weight in the back pulls it down. So I'm going to slide this in right here. I can't really get it fully, so I'm going to actually have to rock the bike forward a little bit, and then I kind of got to kick it in position, you know what I'm saying? Very scientific. That should be good. I'll be back with it. But pretty much what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get this, pop this right here, and I'm going to twist it up. You could use an impact if you have one, but I heard that it like fucks up the thread, so don't. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Definitely want to see if I can get the bike on it. Let's see, is it good? Let's see, it's gotta go.
Is your dad home?
Yeah, Dad's home. I'm recording a video right now.
Oh.
Okay. The front should be completely up now. Let's test. Perfect. All right, time for a quick inspection of the front tire. Let's see. Still pretty good on tread. I do see a little bit of this mismatched tread pattern where you see the wear is a little different in some spots. So my guess is I was just riding around with a little bit too little air. The tire was moving around a bit. Maybe got a little bit loose, and when I hit the rut, it probably caused my stem to pull in a certain way because it was loose. I'm guessing my stem just like, I don't know, like snapped or something. But basically, it's just not holding the air good anymore. So definitely new tube. Tire definitely has more miles on it, so that's good to know. All right, let's get this here. So like I said, we're just gonna want to loosen these slots right here. LOL, I may not be able to get it, but it's a little tough to do with one hand. Let me see this. I should get one of those mouth mounts. Or even smarter, I could just grab my tripod and use it with my camera. You know what? I definitely should have done this, loosening it with the bike on the ground. But I'll still be able to get this. Okay, that one's definitely broken already. Let me get this. Here, coming back to you. The second one, for some reason, is a little bit more stuck, so I'm just going to put this tube that's open on the bottom a little bit bigger. Get a little bit more leverage. I'm going to use my knees to hold the bike. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, now that we have both of these loose, I'm gonna go ahead and get this in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and break that bolt. So I'm using my legs to stabilize it. If I was smart enough to think about it and kept the bike down before I broke this, or not broke it, but like popped off the bolt, then things would be a little bit easier. But yeah, not too much. And what's cool about the front wheel is the brake is connected directly to like this on the forks. So you really just have to do these 2 bolts and then this. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Go. Okay. Ooh. Fuck me. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, that wasn't that difficult. We got her down. As you can see, it's now on the ground. It's not like too much weight on it, but I think that should be enough to make it stable for me to go ahead and pop this axle loose. So here, let me put my phone right here or something. I don't even know where to put my phone. Let's see. Yeah. But there's probably good. All right, let's do this. Let's see. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we gotta push. Let's see. Let me get this. Get the cord down. There you go. As you can see, the axle just unscrews out, and then once I have it lifted, I'll be able to pull it the rest of the way out. So let's go ahead and lift the bike back up. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think I found a better angle so I can get this done without like having to like try to hold the camera, and I think I should be good the rest of the way. Okay, bada boom, bada bam. Tire is up. Straighten her out. Give a little uplift. Pull. Gonna keep this here on my chair for safekeeping. And just roll her out. Bada boom, bada bam. Don't want to lose these when I go, so I'm just gonna pop them out now. So this one is the right hand side of the bike if you're sitting on it, and this one is the left hand side of the bike if you're sitting on it. I'll put this one right here, this one right here. Now time to go get a new tube. So now, as y'all can see, at first I didn't think I was recording, so I stuttered. But as first as y'all can see, I have arrived here at Cycle Gear, aka the bikers heaven. I don't know. I just go to Cycle Gear all the time. It's like Don Quixote, that Japanese place, but for like bikers. But yeah, about to take my bike here. Gonna have them change the tube out. Like I said, I do it myself, but I'm lazy. And it's like $10 for the tube, $14 to have them swap out a new one. So easy money, dude. Like, why wouldn't I? Fuck. All right, I didn't leave my keys in the car. Let's go. Y'all, Cycle Gear's so sick. Look at me. Right there, they're in the back right now, replacing my tires tube. Want to get a video?
homie took a bite and got hungry.
Guess that's what happened to it. All right, here we are. Fresh tube, fresh elastic band covering the little stems of these hose. And we are ready to go get this hose set up. So listen to my shoes real quick. Hear this? Dude, the guy at Cycle Gear cooked my ass. He's like, you got them Squidward ass shoes. Man, you right, but fuck. Okay, now get to it. All right, setting this up for the video. Okay. Boom, you guys know what's up. Let's do this. Okay. First things first, it goes in this way. Let's see. Okay, one thing I don't want to forget is I want to put these things back in. Got some dog hair on it. It's okay. And then this one back in this side. So I'd say the hardest part of this whole thing is not having these things pop off when you're getting this in. But it should be quite easy to just roll her in. See, get that rotor in. Oh, see, this one's already like falling out. Okay, not bad, not bad. Actually did pretty good. So what I may want to do right now is, so let me get this. Let's see. Oh, wow. I actually did that like without that many issues. So I can't remember if it could go in more or if it's like threaded by this point in time. So I guess I'll try keeping it lifted and twist it. But like, it's definitely not in on this side, I can tell you that. But I don't know if it has to go through threads or something in order to go through. Doesn't look like it, no. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. New plan. I'm gonna get a hammer and I'm gonna tap it. Lucky for you, I got everything right next to you. Dude, now I'm just like thinking about these shoes. It's pissing me off. I'm probably just gonna have to replace these. But here, let's see. Nope. Let's see. Let's see. Well, it's definitely going in. Time to go ahead and try to screw this in. Let's see. Oh yeah, there it goes. So if you're gonna wonder what torque it should be at, the answer is tight. I don't know. I haven't read my manual. I don't know the torque specs. I feel like let's see. Okay. I mean, let's see. Before I get this, let me screw these in a little bit, just a little hand tight real quick. Or a little looser than hand tight, because I want to be able to tighten the axle some more before I log this in. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get the bike on the ground first, because it'll be so much easier tightening that all the way once she's on the ground. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty much like now I'm no longer even needing this stand. So let me stand it up straight so I could get this hooked up, and then fuck, silly me. Okay, let's get this right here. Let's steer her back up, and let's finish this off. Just for the sake of making things easier, I'm just gonna go ahead and lock my steering column in place. If I could get the damn key in. Okay. There you go. All right. All right. Let me get this right here so you can get a nice angle to pull back from. Okay. That feels tight enough. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish tightening these supports. One thing I forgot to check before I put the bike down was that if I got the brake placed in, slipped in correctly. But let me see right. Dumbass, the front brakes right here. It looks like it's working correctly. You guys are just gonna have to trust me here. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's definitely good enough. Yep. Perfect. And that, my friends, is how to replace your front tire. Thank you. Or replace your front tube, change the tire, whatever. But yeah, you can see it's good. She's good to go. She's good to ride again. So get ready for some more adventures from the pig.